Hey Tammy, Paul here with Eastwind SEO. I was just gonna make you a short video today. I'm gonna give you an overview of your website and then give you some tips on how you can improve your online presence using citations, content, and backlinks. So first thing we got here, I have your website pulled up, as you can see. Looking at it, it's nice. You have a nice big picture right up here. It looks very good. That's definitely something that we'd like to see. The only issue I can see right now is these letters and these words and your menu and your logo and all that. They kind of get lost in the colors of the pool and the water here. Um, that would definitely be something we want to change. Maybe the coloring of the letters. I know as you scroll down, this drop down bar comes and blacks everything out, making everything behind that clear now. If we could make it static up here, that would definitely be a lot better because it is kind of hard to see your phone number, but I do notice that you do have a click to call link to that, which is great. That way somebody can just click on that, call right away. You do have your contact button here, which is awesome. Book for service. Not a whole lot of content going on here, which is definitely something that you want. In Google's eyes, they love content. The more content you have on your website, the better. It is recommended to at least have 1,500 keywords of content on your front page, and within that content, you can put in all your keywords that you want to be found for. So Google's going to come through and crawl your website, and their crawlers are gonna look through all of your content and everything within that you're trying to rank for and be found for, and it's gonna make you appear to them as a professional in your service and in the areas that you service, and that is more likely gonna get you ranking on that front page of Google. So definitely would want to put some more content on here. This contact us form is great. Normally, I would say you want to have that like up on the top here or on the side over here even, but I mean you do have the button to click for it, so that could be fine the way it is. If we look at a search for you guys, and I'm just gonna put in pool companies near me. Now I'm out of Port Charlotte. I know you guys are on Kings Highway out there on by Lake Susie. Um, so I mean that's fine. You can be found for whatever area you're trying to be found in. The first thing we got here is ads. Is this section right here? Ads are great for trying to bring in business. They can get expensive, but if they are run right, they definitely do help out. And then next thing, you're going to have this map pack section. And these top 3 spots right here, this is where you want to be. Now, this has a lot to do with your citations. So citations are your name, your business name, number, and address, and all that. How it's put in on your Google business profile and put into directories online, which are anything from like Yellow Pages or Yelp. It can even be Facebook or anything like that. The more citations that you have your information on, the better it's going to be in helping you get into this top 3. Also, to have your Google business profile filled out as completely as possible. And so next, we have the organics. And these are going to be all the businesses that show up organically from searching on Google. That's definitely, you would definitely want to be, again, within the top 3 is a really good place to be. If we take a look here at these pool troopers, and they are number 3 down past Home Advisor and Yelp. I do have them over here, and I'm going to take them and put them into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and I already have them in here. Ahrefs is a good tool for looking at how a website is performing, even while it's not 100% accurate. It does give me a lot of information that is helpful. You're going to get the most accurate and up-to-date information from Google and when you have it linked up to your Google Analytics. So if we take a look at the pool troopers here, obviously we can see that they're a national company. They don't just handle Florida; they do Texas, and Arizona as well. But we can see that their UR and DR are pretty close together, which is really it's a good idea to have those in close ratio to each other. Now UR and DR are going to be how Google sees you as a power and trust. A UR is going to be your trust in Google's eyes, and your DR is going to be the power. So that is going to have a lot to do with your backlinks. So backlinks are any kind of a link from another website or maybe a blog post or anything like that that's going to be clickable and link back to your website. And that's going to give you more power in Google's eyes, and it's going to help rank you up higher on that organic search. Now, not all backlinks are equal. You want to try and keep backlinks within relevancy to your business. And we can see that they have a ton of backlinks coming in. They have a ton of keywords, and they have 553 referring domains. That's giving them a little over 6.4 thousand backlinks, which is bringing in over 14,000. They're being found for over 14,000 keywords, bringing them over 13,000 traffic, which is the value is around 37,000, and this is on a monthly basis. So they're getting a ton of traffic from all of this. So if we were to go back and bring in your company, if we were to take a look at you and see what you're bringing in, we can definitely see the difference. Now your UR and DR could definitely be closer to each other. Your UR is not looking bad, but your DR should definitely be up a little more, and that could be because you have some backlinks that in Google's eyes appear to be a bit spammy. So that's something that I would definitely want to take care of. You've got 45 referring domains giving you 189 backlinks. You're being found for 134 organic keywords, bringing in about 139 traffic, which is going to give you around 414 traffic value per month. So there's definitely some room for improvement. I would love to get with you and help you out on any of this stuff. I do have my contact information here. If you want to, you could either give me a call at this number or you can shoot me an email anytime. I do thank you for checking out this video, and I hope it was helpful. I hope you got some tips that you might be able to help you out. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you for your time.